this video, we will show you how to delete temporary files on Windows 11. First, type on the search bar with storage settings. After you find storage settings in here, just click to open the storage settings. There is menu called temporary files in here. Just click this and you can refresh to scan your temporary files in here. After the scanning completed, you can take the temporary files that you don't need to fill your disk. For example, I don't want the temporary internet files to be clean, so I untick this. And if you want to delete recycle bin also, you can just tick this. This is just for example, and make sure no important files on the recycle bin. After all is complete in here, you can just click remove files to complete the steps. Just click continue. Now your temporary files is 0 bytes after delete, and you can saving your free disk space on your PC. Hope this video helpful for you.